Hi, great that you're back. Today we have a look at the Insta360 Go-To mount adapter bundle and the custom skin. I've ordered custom skin for my Insta360 Go-To because I think it's not that obvious if it's a little darker. You can order all kind of skins with all kind of writings and logos on it, so it's up to you. I was surprised because I didn't know that you receive two skins when you order the custom skin. So I have one in spare. They're very easy to put on the Insta. You just peel off the on the back the little protection paper, and then you just line it up on your, you have to remove the lens cover and then you place it on your camera, and then that's the whole deal. You can see it looks like this. Then in my case I ordered the gray one and I like it very much, but you have all kinds of stuff to order. So, and then I also ordered the mount adapter bundle because I wanted to have a adapter mount for my GoPro mounts. I think it's a little sad that they're not included directly, but okay, I mean, Insta includes lots of stuff. So what is in this bundle? Let's have a look. We have two mounts, one two base plates for the for the mounts. So you have a curved one which you can put on a helmet or something like that. And you have a flat base, which you can basically stick on every flat surface. So we also got some sticky stuff to put under the mounts. We got two screws for the mounts, and we have the three adapters in here. So let's check the adapters out. This one is probably the first choice for drone pilots because it is very light. It weighs around 5 grams and it just goes around the outside of your Insta. But if you want to take the Insta out of this mount, you always have to unmount it. So this is probably a mount I only use with a drone. And then we have these two magnetic mounts. One is to mount it on a tripod, which I think is pretty cool mount. It is magnetic, so you can switch mounts very fast. I like that one. And I even like more this one because it has the GoPro. Yeah, it's for GoPro mounts. I have tons of GoPro stuff, so this one is probably my first choice mount, and I like these mounts. They are magnetic, so the camera is pretty secure in this mount, and I can take it out easily to switch mounts, maybe like put it in the clip mount or whatever. So this is what you get when you order the mount bundle. I think it's a good buy because you are very flexible with these three different mounts. These mounts weighed around 10 to 11 grams each. So yeah, check it out. So you get lots of stuff in the bundle. You get a lot of stickers, you get the plate, you get the curved plate, you get the outline mount, and you get two screws. So hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Otherwise, I see you next time. Thanks for watching.